Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled. Order filled.
I was trying to let it run. What up, Mick? Damn. Of course, I got fucking stopped out and we just put in a massive dildo candle. Of course, of course. What up, Viber? Jay Styles, we back. We back. Better tell Grandma to come on the stream. Oh, yo, why did somebody say my fucking camera's not showing? You don't want to see me? Man. Yo, if I get another payout, maybe I'll be like, oh, we're gonna have to end this quick. Yo, they tell me, man, I got the looks for radio. That's what I've been told. From Morse code. I got just heard these green. Man, I am close to some freaking payouts. Super close to payouts. Yo, I wonder if this DX feed shit's working. We're just gonna trade it. Oh, how's everybody's day going? We rocking it or what? You guys making money? Yes, money, no money, maybe money. Dude, I had a wild session on lunch. Fucking on the plane? Uh Buy low, sell high. Yo, I one time streamed from the airplane. You got a payout, Austin? Did you get one? Yo, who'd you get a payout with? Now, my question is, did you use gold to get the payout? My best friend Matt was playing professional knife catcher. Yo, Romeo, I'm just going to say, somebody told me that about it, I don't know, not too long ago. Bro, I thought he was going to cry. He said he sounded like he was going to cry. I was like, what the fuck? Bro, losing is part of the game. Like everybody loses. He literally thought the fact that he sounded like he was going to cry means it felt like he was losing money that he doesn't have. Listen, I feel bad if anybody loses money, I feel bad. But if you're doing this a long time, losing money is part of the fucking game and it shouldn't affect any aspect. You shouldn't sound like you're going to cry. It should just be another day in the office. Just like if you went and served fucking burgers at McDonald's and left. That's it. That's how it should be. You lose money. You make money. Nice. Good job. Okay. As soon as I leave the computer, I got to do it all again tomorrow. It doesn't matter. This is a job. This isn't gambling. This isn't fucking fantasy land. This is a job. You just get up and you just play the same shit every single fucking day, and it is boring. When trading is boring, you know you're doing it correctly, and that's it. Yeah, I get excited because I'm on the stream, we're having fun and shit, but like inside, I'm just playing the same shit over again. I'll sit here, won't say a word, and be like, oh, just made money. Oh, fucking just lost. That sucks. All right, next trade. You know. Super dead, Fred. Super dead. Somebody asked me about bro. At the end of the day, also, if you're trading props, you're only down the money that it cost you to get the account. Made 900 this morning, and now I'm working on these Apex evals. I used Code Trader for 500 away from passing them. Dude. Today you can pass them super fast, and you can crush them super fast too, man. What up, Schulster? Dude, somebody just shot me. Yeah, I would just wait it out. There's a level right here. I'm not going to take it, but it is at 47.8. The reason I'm not taking it is because we got close enough to hitting it right here. I would have gotten filled. And hey, maybe it fucking pays out. Maybe it doesn't. See, that's why I don't take levels that come. All right, learning. See, we didn't touch this level. That's why I don't take it. It's too close. Too fucking close. I think we're going to come down to this. That's why some of this shit is feel. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Ray, you never know. You could have made a ton of money. You could have been Moneybags Ray after today. You have no idea. I'm trying to. I should have just put the fucking number in. Ah, here we go. See, so we actually hit this level here. So for me now, I want to see us come down to. I would probably play 24/7. Yo, I just got a special delivery. Hold on, you want to see what I got? Yo, we're going to do a Cove unboxing. Hold on, I just got to go to my front door. The fuck? Why can't my wheel go backwards? Jeez. Cove unboxing. I'm getting it. Which one do I drink? Let's see. Can you even see what these are? I got the aminos. Yo, I wish. I want to get some. I already locked in one payout today. I kind of want to lock in another one. What are we at? 12? Dude, I don't think this is going to come down at 12, is it? 12? 12 and 2? I'll play at 23. Don't bounce yet. Don't fucking... don't bounce. Did you say shotgun one? Bro. Do you have straws like Rips? I do not deep throat straws. I do not drink out of the straw with my hand on the back of my head. Why is gold not moving? Gold's moving. Kyle. Jamin, you missed me this. I missed you this morning. Oh, man. Yeah, Eli. It's cruising. Is your gold not moving? Oh, Jesus, helpful. Bro. Bro. Wild comment. Love it. That's freaking hysterical. I don't think I'm going to get filled down here. Don't go tree. Your gold chart is frozen. Refresh the screen. Is it still frozen? Gold's working for me. I'm on gold on TPT. TPT won't let me be. It's moving. Bro, I saw you posted at like 3:30 in the morning trading gold with with Ange. I was like, damn, he's up. What up, Double O? I thought that was wild though. Well, that helps a little bit. Oh yeah, the contracts rolled. Yeah, contracts have rolled. Boom. Oh man. Come on. Don't go see. Uh Dude, I'm just looking at all this shit. I gotta send this to myself. We set. Yo, anybody see fucking NQ when we got off the stream? Dude, I literally got off the stream. I was in a trade right here and decided to just kind of get out. And then it fucking ran 120 points as I got out. I saw that shit. Dude, literally, I closed it. I think I like stretched my back out, and then all of a sudden it just fucking ripped. And I was like, I can't watch. I just can't watch it. Bro, straight ripped. I was like, what a moron I am. Well, I got out, Sean, like a loser, and fucking it just ripped. Yo, blew it out. Dude, I need to get like a real fucking. I need to go to a real massage spot. My back's tight. My back needs to be loosened. I cracked it for like the first time in ages the other day. I think I was in my car. And I just like, oh, dude, gold's going to come down here. All right, this is where, this could be it. This could be where I make my money. 13 and 3 and 0. 13, 3 and 0. 13, 3 and 0. 13, 3 and 0. I guess I'll just wait it out. Yo, what up, Scooby? Been trying to ask you something for a few days. Me, Doug? What's the question? What's the question? I was just say something inappropriate, but I won't. What's the question? Doug, I haven't even seen it. Dougie Fresh, what are we looking at? Why do you like trading gold at night versus the day? So I like trading them. I like trading it both times, but nighttime I do trade it more because it's more likely to come back and forth than just go one way. That's why. At night, you get more back and forth, so I'm able to scout back and forth even if I get caught. Bro, I'm up 3K today, but I keep wanting to trade more. How do I fix this? If you can't help yourself, go get an eval and trade a new eval. Like if you don't want to trade any funded accounts, just go get an eval and trade it. I just don't see me trading a lot during the day. I definitely have traded it during the day. I traded here. here, here, here. I mean, that's all since 12 o'clock. Here. Don't try silver, man. Gold's the way to go. But yeah, I would say at night you get more back and forth, which allows me, if it drops, it comes back up and I'm able to flip. Yeah, I would definitely just go get an eval. Go get a cheap eval. Yo, $20, you can go get an Apex eval and just chill the fuck out. Or for 20 bucks, you can go on Craigslist. I meant, forget it. Forget I even said that. Apex, yeah. Apex, 20 bucks. Go get an eval. Code Cove Trader. Yeah, I think it's $19.40. NQ's not doing anything now. NQ is literally just consolidating. What's up, Cash? Learnt trading? It's 75 for the 25 through 100Ks. 100K, 100K, 100K. But I'm just saying, it will save you money by trading an eval and then trading if you need to trade something. Dude, I'm almost at a bunch of payouts. I'm literally just call it 300. I got all these accounts over 52,000. Should I get therapy? Bro. Get massage therapy. Dude, morning was crazy, dude. I'm right there, though. I'm going to flip these green and hopefully take them to the promised land. I just small red. Small red. Barely red. Yeah, I need to go get therapy. Make sure you bring an extra 20. Locked in a Lucid account. I locked in a Lucid payout today. I'll be requesting that shiznick right after the stream. Lucid. Gonna get paid. Paid. Cove. You do not play gold short much, do you? Not right this second. Only because the obvious trend is up. So, I try to play the trends. I shorted this morning at the top. I shorted like up here, I think. But that's why I asked you if you ignore your kids like that last. So I trade while I'm making dinner and shit like that. You got to remember though, Doug, this is a lot of fucking money in funded accounts. a lot of that was made last night. Like, how do I just say, oh, I'm not going to do this? On top of that, I did $300 in Lucid, locked in a payout last. I did that last night. I did all this last night. It's hard for me to deny that. So I basically set my computer up. What's up, Maria? I basically set my computer up. I basically have my computer on my kitchen island as I make dinner for everybody. So somebody's got to pay for all this. Ain't that the truth? But yeah, like how do I just walk away from all this money and say, "Oh, we're just going to hang out?" Like, yo, I wish I was. Dude, if I was fucking dating and some girl was into OnlyFans, bro, I would be all about doing it. I'd be all over it. You don't even know. Yo, Tesla's gonna stop making half the cars and focus more on robotics. Holy shit, that's crazy. Dude, that's wild. I'm just looking for one thing. Come on down, baby. So what you're telling me, QQQ, is that in 26 we won't get back over. I think we're just gonna trend in this area all year. I called it. I already said it already. I said we're gonna trend in this 2,000 point area the whole year. It's all we're gonna do. Yo, welcome to the stream. Yo, who just joined? Yo, why am I blurry? Maybe because I'm leaning back like Fat Joe. Yo, Sapeta. trying to see if I go more in focus here. Ah, I can see myself. Boom, 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 boom. Bro, are they not going to come down and get my freaking orders? Don't play me like this. Gold. Gold. We talked about this. Yo, Boogie, you get all set up? Boogie with a hoodie, you're all set up from yesterday? I play NQ. I played NQ a bunch today, but I played NQ earlier today. I liked it. Dude, we were on the stream. If you were on earlier, literally when they created this double bottom and broke the top, I said that's the that's done. That's the bottom. The top break, the bottom break the center is always the fucking reversal. That's the reversal pattern. I just didn't fucking hold it because I was an idiot. Idiot. Again, please? What? What you want me to, what the double bottom? You got a bottom and a bottom. And then once you break this top, it just shoots off. But that's what you're looking for. You're looking for the break and hold of this point. Ah, gold, gold, gold. How can you not get my fucking orders down there? Jesus, dude. Come on. YouTube hid that comment. YouTube hid that. I see it. Imagine they actually let it finish a move before market close. I was telling them that, Chris. Let them finish, man. Just let them finish. Jeez. Oh, man. Are we going to do this or what? Shit just came down a ton. Tell me about it. Just come down and fucking get my shit, dude. Yo, they missed my fucking orders again. Dude, what the fuck did I just get? Yo, I think I just got an alert about something. Oh, Tradeify is doing crypto. Tradeify is doing crypto? Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Dude, the NQ hasn't fucking moved. It's just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You got Apple earnings after hours. Anyone playing Apple earnings? Come on. Hawks are going to kill the Patriots? Yeah, I agree. I already started putting in some parlays. I've been cooking up some parlays in the lab. I put my lab jacket on and have just been like messing around with things, just getting it just right. Oh, Fred, how'd that go? Finally green. I'm done for the day. John. $237. That was probably really quick, too. 41-17 Hawks. I may put in a wild parlay of like, yeah, Seahawks minus 9.5 or something like that, along with some other goodies that I'm cooking it up. You know, a lot of text back and forth, seeing what we should do, making the moves. I believe Seahawks win, but I'm maximizing my profits. Buy dips, bro. Um, I'm just looking at shit. Dude, what happened to NQ? It's just sitting around doing nothing. I think it's going to roll over, to be honest with you.
Order filled.
If I get filled here, I'm going to move it all to break even. I'm at break even anyways, but I want to see it just sell off. What up, DC? Come on. Fucking dump it, NQ. I still think we go down here. I'm like, do not go down. Do not go down.
Order filled.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Right? I'm in. I'm in it to win it.
Order filled.
Bro, they need a break even button. They need a break even button that I can just hit break even and then I just let this shit move. Are you kidding me? I made $36. It's one of those that it's either going to go and get momentum or they're going to pick it back up, and I didn't want to hold it. I'd still watch this. I'm saying it's going to go to the right, Knob. You definitely don't want to see it close above the blue or green line. The level of disgust in your voice at $36. I guess I should just be happy, right? Dude, I'm right there for a bunch of payouts. Plus the one I got today. I had 9 micros. Actually, I had 12 at one point. I thought I can catch, 20 points would be almost $350 almost. Like I thought I'd get something like that. Yeah. No, they have that on Quant Tower. They just don't have it on this thing. Dude, I wish it was Kettle One. I just drank one of these. They just came by Amazon today. Bro, how do you think I'm making all this money? I'm using the EMT indicator. Bro, I forgot about that guy. You think he comes back today? He'll fucking come back. He loves me. He fucking wants to come back. He's got to come back. Yo, the foghorn guy. Guys, you playing the foghorn? Stupid. Fucking stupid. Um.
Order filled.
Oh, okay. I'll look after the stream. I don't know. I don't know if you could hear me. Hold on one second.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, is it? All right. Hold on one second. Um, how would I? Hold on. All right. Yo, guys, hold on one second. Hold on one second. I gotta go look for something. I got something special. We have Apple. Yeah, we have Apple, WDC. I gotta open something on the stream. Something came from me, from Chris Knuth. If I open this and white powder pops out, it was Chris. All right, let's see what it is. This is unboxing on the stream. All right. All right, this is the shipping. This is the shipping. Oh, I can feel what it is. Oh, baby. Bro. Let's see if I could. I got to. Dude, I'm going to show you each side of it. I got this guy. And he's got the little. He's got the stock market on the side. A Trump doc. It's like a business. It's a stock market trading duck, is what it is. It's definitely a stock market trading duck. Dude, I'm trying to think how I can put this. Bro, I can put this in my Jeep. Dude, this is my first duck for my Jeep. That's so cool. I've never actually seen one of these. I've seen it in somebody's window, but I did not know that this is the size of the duck. I didn't even know anything about it. Dude, this is going to be the duck. I'll take a picture of it and put it in my Jeep. I'll put it in my Jeep today, and I will take a pic. I've never gotten a Jeep duck. No Jeep duck for me. Bro, I appreciate it, man. Super appreciate it. It will sit. I'm going to play with it the whole stream, actually. But yeah, I will put it in my Jeep and send you a pic. I'll put it in the Discord. Bro, this is a cool little ducky. Dude, there's an actual business for this. That's crazy. Dude, there's probably so many of these things. Yeah, man. I appreciate this. Literally, it's my first Jeep duck. Never gotten one. All summer, I wanted a Jeep duck. Not one person has given me a Jeep duck. I didn't know what to do, if I was doing it wrong. But yeah, nobody dropped me a Jeep duck ever. This is my first one. I guess you just leave it on the dashboard, right? Is that how it goes? That's how I think it goes, right? Dashboard. Yeah. I gotta look, but I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. $312 and $301. I'm just putting my orders in for 2 seconds. Hold on 1 second. Dude, so yeah, I've never had so all summer I have the Jeep, I have the top off, like I have the top off 85% of the time in the summer, and I've never gotten a Jeep duck. Dude, this is so cool. Little stock market trading Jeep duck. That's awesome. Dude, I don't I can be honest, Chris, most of my freaking time is spent running around doing kid stuff. I am I was talking to one of my friends. I was like, he was telling me about like, oh, you got new shows to watch. I was like, dude, I don't have any free time. I was actually talking about that at the gym. Some guy was saying how he likes to bike, and I like to bike, but he's like, dude, I don't have time. Like I used to bike after work for 45 minutes to an hour and a half every day, and I haven't done it since 2019. So it's just haven't had time, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man, these PAs are about to turn green. I can almost fucking taste it. What is the Jeep duck anyway? Pineapples for RVs? No. I don't I don't know. They started it during COVID, and basically you leave ducks on someone's Jeep. You know what's funny is I never when I started doing the duck race, it wasn't because of the Jeep at all. It was just random. It's just a friendly gesture for the community of Jeeps. That's it. Some girl in Canada started it. Dude, that's great. Yeah. Joe, I literally just I should have just held this. I just caught the bottom. That'd have been 10 fucking dollars. That's $10 on gold. I've been ducked. Dude, it's pretty cool. Never been ducked before. I can't believe I just caught the bottom of this and it's going. It's been around your way longer than COVID. I don't know. That's just what it says. It's starred by Allison Parliament in Canada in 2020. I have no idea. Yeah, I'm just reading all of them. Yeah. You were doing ducks when you were in high school? Yeah, I don't know. That's just what Wikipedia says. Yo, I mean, I didn't even know ducks were a thing. Like, I knew it was a thing, but like, I didn't do the ducks because of that. Yo, I didn't realize I was in two micros. In an eval over here. I uh, I just did 200 and something dollars in a trader's launch account, 282, but I did it by mistake. Maria, you took that long on gold, then you then you crushed it right there. Yeah. Malakishan, what's up? Traders Launch is a prop firm. Oh. I didn't realize there's over 100 prop firms. It's so crazy. It was mind boggling when I saw how many prop firms there were. Or 170 prop firms through time. Maybe not all around still. Um, so I think they just updated the weather. I think they just updated the weather. It went from no snow to some flurries on Sunday. But I've been watching this other guy. I think they just updated it for this weekend. I don't know. It's going to be interesting. Well, the Carolinas are going to get more than we're supposed to get. That's what I saw. The Carolinas are going to get smoked. I saw Carolinas and oh my god. Carolinas were going to get smoked. But it depends if it moves off or it stays going up. I don't know. It's one of those things they don't know until like Friday. Amar, yo, I tried range chart today. I played around with that. I'll be honest with you. It's gonna take a lot for me. Weather now says you might get your face blasted out in Long Island. Where are you looking at? Knob, what channel? I still have that it's gonna miss us. But I will say it went from like hitting us a little bit to not hitting us to now it's back to hitting us. So I don't know if it's shifting to the left. I think it's gonna matter. Okay, so what do you say range chart? Any got? I just didn't like it, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm not on the tip though. Yeah, out there we'll probably get some inches. I mean, NQ is not doing anything right now. NQ hasn't done anything since 1 o'clock. Come on, gold. Quack, quack. Dude, this thing's so cool. So cool. Just come down and film me. Just come down. Just go to Five Below and get 37 ducks, and you'll be. Is that where you get them? No, this has a cool website, man. This thing was dude, I didn't go to the website yet. Ducks in the window. Dude, this has all the ducks. Dude. Yo, there's so many of them. I guess it's an actual store. Yo, the store's been around since 2012. Uh-oh. Yo, who just subscribed? Ethan! Yo, what up, Ethan? Cove, take a look at the 15-second chart on gold. 15-second chart on gold. Dude, you're playing like within the fucking candles, man. I guess this was a hit, probably. From here, probably bounce from here to here. This was probably a hit. And then here down, this was probably a short that you hit on. From here, you probably hit on that bounce. So there's a lot of fucking trades though, man. I can't change my style. Like I already have I'm fully locked in on my style. I can't change it. Oh, I appreciate it, Kyle. I appreciate it. Yeah, I would test. Listen, if it works for you, Austin, you should do it. Without a doubt, you should do it if it works for you. But if I start playing around with that and then I start taking losses, I'm gonna be freaking annoyed. But yeah, Kyle, you know what I'm gonna like it? When I submit for a bunch of payouts in all these accounts. I'm gonna freaking love it. Yo, Ricky Anthony just. Yo, Ricky, you in the chat? Say what's up. Yeah, it's super close. I am right there on a lot of accounts. I just submitted for Lucid today. Crazy Coley playlist. What's up, buddy? I submitted for Lucid today. I'm waiting for Bulenox to pay me. And I'm going to probably be over. I'm hoping tonight on some of these. I'm hoping tomorrow to submit a couple of them. Just rack it. Just build them up. Dude, gold has definitely slowed down from earlier today. Do we have to wait till 5 p.m. to submit payout requests for Lucid Flex? You got to wait till at least 5 o'clock. I just submitted one. I just got paid this week, I think on Monday. And I think I submitted it. I think I did it at like 6:30, to be honest with you. I mean, I wasn't really paying attention. But I think I did it at like 6:30. You know, because after the stream, I go pick my kids up. I did a couple miscellaneous things. I came back and I just submitted it. It was in my bank account in 5 minutes, Chris. That I'll tell you. In like 5 minutes, I had my money. There was no playing around. I hit the button and they send you it right to your bank account. They plaid transfer it. For Lucid, minimum is 500, right? Awesome. Do you request payout every fifth day? Yeah. I did not know that that was the minimum, but now that I think about it, it probably is. I am gonna be requesting a little over $700. What I like to do personally, Chris, is the first payout. I basically just make enough, and I take the payout, and that payout basically covers the cost of, you know, account. So if you pass, say you pass 1 in 3 accounts, right? And we're just gonna use round numbers. Say each Lucid account is $80. It's 80, 80, and 80. So it's 240. So basically my first payout is 7 something. It covers that 240, put some extra money in my pocket, and then the next payout I can go for bigger. Yeah, it's Lucid Flex. Yes, you got to do ID verification, and you do and you put in your bank info. Yep. Yep. I have a 50K. Yeah, 50K. Yeah. It's super easy though. That I'll tell you, super super easy. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just looking at this fucking storm shit, dude. Gold just went for it, and Q still hasn't really gone anywhere. Let's see what happens. It's like NQ's not doing anything. You got to remember, we have earnings, Apple earnings after the bell, guys. So this thing's gonna go one way or another. 2 more days of 100, and I can request from 25K Lucid. Yo, there you go. Hey, Cove, would you like to play Apple earnings today? Uh, I might play it in an eval. Like, I don't want to risk an eval that's already like half past. You know what I'm saying? Uh, I will play it. I'll get a new eval just for it. I will get a new eval just for it. Let's see what we got. need the 2x FA thing. Ah. Man, I'm going to have too many accounts, to be honest with you, soon. I'm going to fire up an eval for Apple earnings. Here we go, folks. I should have it in my account in like 2 minutes. Firing it up. All the way up. Nothing can stop us. Yeah, that's how I stacked a lot of the gains yesterday. Is I just did the I played earnings on the evals. Whoa, Salty Savage. Can you see it on the thing? Let's see. I appreciate it. I'm seeing if you can see. Let's see. There we go. Oh. Boom. Going to my Jeep. Boom. Bought me an Apex account for... Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I am definitely doing that. Dude, that's my first time I've ever been ducked. You used to follow someone else, but I like my style. I appreciate it, Austin. I definitely appreciate it. I hope that you take all those accounts to payouts. I know you said you locked one in today. I hope you get all the other ones. Did you trade gold before you found me, Austin, or did you just start trading gold now? Bro, I got the stock market duck. Bro, I got a stock market duck. It's freaking awesome. Going right in my window. Boom. Dude, gold's going to flag out of this. I'm not going to get a chance to buy. Dude, gold's going to flag out of this thing. And it's going to go up. Yo, Chris sent it to me. I got it from Chris, Texas Tommy. Chris Canoe. Freaking awesome. Can't wait to put it in my car. Put it right in my Jeep. In my Jeep it goes. No, Wicked Ticks. Why do you think Tradeify's messed up? What happened? You can't close your positions? What are my top props? Take Profit Trader is my number one. Then I would say like, dude, I actually freaking started ranking them. Yo, I made, dude, check this out. Some of you guys would want to watch this. I made review videos from personal, like Lucid. I made review videos on each prop firm. I'm almost done. Watch the review videos. That's the best bet because it's personal experience reviews, not like, oh, this is this and this is that. Like, I love the customer service at some of the places. Like, I just do. Uh, you know, the quick payouts. Like, I got to pay out like, My Funded Futures paid me in 10 seconds. Like, that was awesome. You know, Lucid's payout hit my bank account in 5 minutes. Certain aspects about different firms, there's things that are just not the rules, but other aspects that I kind of like about trading with them. And I think some of that goes a long way too. Oh man. I think people don't take some of that other stuff into account as well. I use Legends, Chris. I use Bulenox. Legends. I use Tradeify. Yeah, I'm staying on for earnings. I'm gonna play earnings, TJ. Um, Tradeify, Bulenox. Some companies I only get when they're running a deal, right? Like I have traded with Elite Trader Funding, but I only buy them when they're doing beat the beast challenge. Yes, I do copy trade them together. Yep, Chris, I use Replicanto. Lucid. Oh, I use Trade Day also. So if you're brand new, if you've never used Trade Day before, um, they have 50% off your first account, which is pretty good. No, I copy trade funded accounts together. Yeah. I usually copy trade 3 to 7 funded accounts at a time, Chris, across different platforms. I just started trading with Traders Launch. Sean knows the CEO, so I kind of playing around there. I haven't even been funded yet, so I'm just brand new, just getting my feet wet. But I did a podcast with the CEO. He was super nice. Um, Trying to think who else I've traded with. I mean, just because Take Profit Trader is the best daily prop payout, uh, just due to the fact that they don't require you to hit any certain profit target. Like you can move, yeah, tick tick, thrive, fast track. You can move. Like if you make $50, you can move $50 out of Take Profit Trader to the wallet, and then use that $50 to pay for other accounts and stuff like that. Like Take Profit Trader is probably the only real daily payout firm that there is, and I don't understand why no other firm just copies their rules. Like there's no minimum, and there's also no maximum. Like I don't know. Soon more firms will start copying what they got. You kind of get what you pay for, Austin. Any minimums? What do you mean? Like the minimum you could take $10 if once you get over the buffer, you could take $10 and you put it in your wallet on TPT. There is no minimum on it. I one time did $10 as a joke. Yeah, they have 40% off, no activation fee.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I just turned all those accounts fucking. I just turned all those accounts fucking green. Dude, I took almost a $700 loss this morning, and all of them are back green already. Yeah, I don't. That's never happened to me, TJ. To be honest, it's only happened in Bulenox, and they gave me credit. Yeah. Oh, Tradeify has their select plans, but the cap is $1,000 a day. Trade day is the closest thing to take profit trader with regards of the way the funded account is. Yeah. Yeah, they do a lot of like my funded futures has a daily payout one, but you got to make $500. But they have daily payouts. It's just you got to make $500. And then Tradeify has one. I think the minimum might be 250, and then the maximum is 1,000. Trade day, they only have like it's the intraday plan. I do the intraday plans because they're cheaper. I'm with you, TJ. You should write that back to them, TJ. Just be like, hey, I'd be happy with a credit. That's honestly what I would write if I were you. I'd be happy with a credit. I would say I messed up, and I'd be happy with a credit so I can purchase more accounts. No, you don't have to check the box. It should just work. Yo, what's crazy is if you use this link, it should automatically do it. If you click this, it should automatically give you the discount. If you notice though, like a lot of the prop firms are starting to have very similar accounts. Well, that will automatically pre-fill it for anyone that's in here. But yeah. Um Yo, Cove, a little advice, please. I won any size account with Apex. I'm a new trader. What shot? So I'm going to tell you right now, Nate. The 50Ks are easier to pass. But if you solely want to feel like you have skin in the game and you want to trade it, you can go like 150 because it gives you more drawdown, but it's going to be harder to pass. It depends on what type of experience you want. If you want to use it as a learning experience where you're going to be testing out strategies and whatnot, then you're going to want more drawdown just to feel like you got skin in the game. If you're going to pass it and get paid, the 50K is the way to go. Yeah. I only say that because I've used those accounts when they've been on sale. I've used them to test things out where I was like, oh, I'm going to test this out. So I got myself like a 150K account. And like I knew I wasn't going to pass it. I knew I was just using it as a test. But I felt like I had skin in the game because it was an account. And if I happen to pass it, so be it. But the 50K is the way to go. That's the best accounts there. Dude, that's crazy, Killer Viper, because that's the hardest one to pass. You got to make like, what is it, $20,000? Yeah, it's wild. Man, this is more. Look at this. All I had to do is hold. That's me at the very bottom. Glad I got $64 down here. What the fuck? I gotta start holding this shit because I'm smashing bottoms at this point. I'm smashing bottoms. Helpful. Uh, so far I have not gotten any payout yet. Who are you trading with, Richard? What account are you trading with? We should start there. Honestly, you should be trading with like a low dollar amount account if you've never gotten a payout. Do not buy expensive accounts. Dude, this thing's just going for it. Holy shit, this thing just went up. You know, like a lot of people when they're brand new, um, buy we'll call it the better accounts, but obviously they cost more money. When reality, you should just get the cheaper accounts and get your feet wet, costing you the least amount of money. You should just get your feet wet. Dude, I can't believe we made this back. Made back over 300 points. Whew. Yeah, I would stick to the cheaper ones and not use Topstep just to save you money. Just keeping it real.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, we're going to start fucking having some fun here. Come on.
Order filled.
That's not a bad idea. I think they're only $60 too.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. Probably the way to go. Come on, just pump it. Pump it one time for us. One time.
Order filled.
Come on. Stop playing with my dingling and let's go. Oh, MOC.
Order filled.
Well, that was easy. Well, that was fucking easy. Don't say I don't bring you straight bangers. Sure. Smash the confetti. Wow. Wow. Dude, that was crazy. Oh, I got this one account that's red. I am not too worried about that. Woo! Oh, baby. Boom, boom. Dude, that was crazy. I wish I went in with more contracts. Man, that was a freaking good one. I wish I just held. Wish I just held. Cove, go get your nails done. Dude, this thing's just ripping. That was wild because I got caught in literally, it just flashed. It didn't even go down. There was a $25 flash dump this morning, and I lost like $700 in these two accounts, and I turned them green today. I should have freaking held so many times, man. I'm getting tight butthole as I get closer to all these payouts is the problem. Dude, they're going to push this back to 26,000. Yo, balloon knot. Yo, another day all green, baby. Another day all green. Plus, I'm green in my Dude, I'm green other accounts also. Sometimes you just need one move all day. Here's some other accounts I'm up in. Just to show you the whole thing. These accounts I'm up in. These accounts I'm up in. On my Quant Tower, I'm up about almost $300 in my Lucid Pro to lock in an account. I'm up $800 in Trader's Launch account. I'm up $282 in another Trader's Launch account. I don't copy trade them all at once, Eric. But I do copy trade a good amount of accounts. Wow. I mean, you have Apple earnings after hours. I'm curious what happens here. I mean, they're going to probably pin it right here. If I had to guess, we just close right here. That would be my guess. 26,000 close. If we go above it, they'll bring it back down. If we drop, they'll bring it back up. Dude, gold is insane. Gold is insane. It's just stupid. The whole thing is stupid. Oh man. I mean, there's no play right now. We're just so far. Oh, earnings, earnings, earnings in 2 minutes. Hold on one second. Let's see financial juice. The financial juice is loose. Oh, Amazon in talks to invest up to $50 billion in OpenAI. Holy shit. Dude, that's crazy. All right. It says Apple earnings is going to be at 430. Apple earnings. So you have Visa earnings in 5 minutes. And then you have Apple earnings at 430. Dude, we got some fucking time on that. All right, here's the deal though. I think that was Visa earnings. That is not Apple. There's a couple earnings coming out. Yo, Eli, it got all the way back up. There you go, Maria. I mean, it just ran. It ran 80 points. Crazy. I'm going to be real. That is super bullish for the market. Yeah, I would be out too. All right. Here's the deal. I don't want to take my eye off this to run all the ducks and everything, right? Because I am gonna play this. So I don't want to take my eye off of it. Because it can come out earlier and whatnot, right? So I just want to be honest. So what I think is I'm just gonna run the numbers game and then winner gets an account, and then we'll just go from there because I do not want to. I don't want to miss this, to be honest. I'm just gonna look at earnings whisperer real fast. Oh shit! Good fucking catch, man. That was a really good catch. I've done that before and then been really mad afterwards. Dude, what up, LaRosa? Oh man, the upside just looks fucking naughty. Dude, we've been crushing it, man. I don't think I had a red day this month. I just got an update. The storm's going to miss New York City. Oh. Same. I thought my win streak will end today, but damn. Dude, it was awesome. Yeah, you never know. All of a sudden it shifts, knob. And they're like, my bad. Yo, this looks like a flag and it's going to go up, by the way. This looks exactly like a flag. Dude, I'll be honest with you. I'm out on Halcyon or whatever it is. I'm out on them. I'm out personally. There's just no need. There's so many other firms that are out there that are just people are using, so I know they have cash flow that I don't have to risk it. Robinhood, what is that? $100? Hood? Yo, what happened to Robinhood? Why is it up? Why is it up so much? Dude, why is Hood up that much? I'm in Hood. That's why I'm in it. Holy shit. The U.S. is reportedly considering Hood as a platform for proposed Trump accounts aimed at investing on behalf of children. Dude, if Robinhood lands Trump accounts, dude, if they landed Trump accounts, oh shit, I gotta move this by the way. So if they land Trump accounts, you gotta think that's like millions of accounts that would be open, like millions of accounts over fucking night that would be open, for Robinhood. Dude, that's wild. I mean, that would be a fucking massive, massive windfall for them. Dude. Dude, that's crazy. What up, Michael? Yeah, they're not going to choose Weeble. I'm just being honest with you. They're not choosing Weeble. Um,